I have 2007 Honda Civic, and we're gonna be replacing the Civic axle driver side. Let's do this, my dude! Makapag-release nga naman. Taas ang pang-attract yung mga kalokohan nyo, you know. We're gonna be removing the CV axle. We're gonna be removing the axle nut, the outer tie rod, and the ball joint. So first things first, we'll be taking out the cotter pin. All right, get your 17. Okay, then put it back. I'm gonna remove the outer tie rod by using a hammer. I will hit the knuckle with the hammer and not the outer tie rod. I'll hit the knuckle and not the outer tie rod. Alright.
But you have to see back.
Ah, putang ina. There you go. Take the nut out, put it back, and then take the axle bolt out, which is, I believe that looks like it's a 32 socket. Once we get the axle nut, there's 3 bolts for the ball joint that we need to remove. They're all 17s. Oh shit. Get a pry bar. Pry it down here. We're gonna pry the lower ball joint. We're gonna pry the lower control arm. Pry it out. See that? And then gonna hammer the axle again, get it out. So we're gonna push the spindle out and remove the axle at the same time. So tilt the spindle like this and you should have a, oh shoot, tomato. Yeah, this thing is gone, my dude. You know, that's right here.
That's right. I told you.
That's right. I told you. All right. All right. So we're gonna pry it right here. If you can't pry it, grab a hammer. Grab a hammer and then
Hit the old fan.
hit the fucking hole. Hey, come on, man. Why you gotta be like that, man? All right. There you go. There you go. All right, so let's see, this is the old one. Check this out. This is the old one. Look. So at this point, make sure that all your old one, your new one is the same as your old one. What I mean by that is here. If they're the same length, same, you know, same format. All right, same, but different. Shut up, man, shut up. All right. You know what you're doing? Oh, hell yeah, I know. You know I do. Alright, so now we're gonna install the new one. When installing it, this is where the axle nut goes. So install the opposite side, the one with the ring. Make sure you're gonna keep pushing it so that it goes all the way in. There you go. Push the spindle up, then insert the rest of the axle. All right. Then what I'll do next is grab my pry bar. And then right here, put the pry bar right. So what we do now is put the pry bar right through the lower control arm in the middle, push it down, and then push. As we pushing it down, let's align the ball joint, just like that. Then let's put the bolts for the ball joint. Let's put the outer tie rod in as well. Outer tire is pointing up. Just keep that in mind. And this was the new bolt axle nut. All right, let's tighten everything up. Oh yeah, 32. Oh, what the fuck? Look at the lower control arm. The lower control arm though. Yeah, his lower control arm is busted, man. They busting. You need to get that changed. But that's gonna be on a different episode. You know what I'm saying? Lastly, get a chisel set. Let's make a punch hole here. Punch it. so that it locks in. It's locked in now, my dude. Oh, what is that? Okay. Cotter pin. I recorded like 4 videos a day. That's what I want. Oh, apat na videos. That's how you replace the driver's side CV axle on a 2006 Honda Civic. Yeah, I hope that this video gave you guys the information that you need to do your project today. If you have any questions, comments, or kind of concerns, write it down in the comment section. If you watch the entire video, we really appreciate y'all. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.